Be a spacious living and dining area. You get kitchen space provided where you will get two parallel platforms. You can place a king size bed along with the side tables. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Regency Luxuria by Regency Group located in Dombivli East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And from here, you can get a view of the actual land parcel where the towers will be constructed. The towers are almost ready. And this will also be the neighborhood of the project. We will get into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. So now, talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 11 acres with 5 towers having 3 levels of basement plus ground plus 30 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with 2 swimming pools, that is adults pool and kids pool. It also has a clubhouse, gym, banquet hall, multi-purpose court, basketball court, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Kalyan Shilfata Road, Vico Naka, Dombivli East. As you can see, this is the main road of the project and the neighborhood, and this road over here leads to Kalyan Shilfata Road. Dombivli railway station is only at a distance of 2.8 kilometers. Upcoming metro station is at a distance of 200 meters. AIIMS hospital is at a distance of 1 kilometer, and school and colleges are within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Regency Luxuria. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1304 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you'll get this spacious waiting area at the entrance. You can design your shoe closet. You can also place table chairs at the waiting, and this area gives your whole apartment full privacy, as if someone waits, they can wait here. This will be a spacious living and dining area. You can easily place a 3-way sofa, your center table, side table, customize your TV unit, and you will still have plenty of walkable space. You will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. You can place your swings, tea tables and tea chairs in this balcony and enjoy tea time with your family. Moving forward, this will be your dining area where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. You also have space provided in this corner where you can also customize some closets. That's totally up to you. Over here, we have our kitchen space provided where you will get 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You also have place provided to place your refrigerator where you can easily place a double door fridge. Over here, we have the dryer balcony that is very spacious. You can place your washing machine, and you will get full French windows in the dryer balcony for ventilation. As you can see, you'll get this modern sink as it is in the apartment. You will get rectified towels in the whole apartment, and also ACs are provided in all the bedrooms and the living room. Moving forward, you will also get this utility area, a wash basin in place in this corner, and over here you will get a slab provided. You can also use this area totally up to your choice. Over here we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables, customize your wardrobe, and you can also build lofts if you want. You will also get full French windows and a balcony in this bedroom. Moving forward, right opposite to the common bedroom, we have a common washroom that is also very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will also get geysers provided in all the washrooms. Now let's move to our master bedrooms. This is a first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables and customize your wardrobe. You can also customize your study table in this corner, and you can see you have enough space in the bedroom even after placing all the needful things. You will also get full French windows with the balcony in this bedroom. And also these master bedrooms are designed such that even behind the door you have space provided if you want to utilize it. And over here we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And geysers are provided in all the washrooms. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the bigger master bedroom of this 3 BHK, and let me tell you some USPs. You will get lights and fans provided in all the bedrooms and the living room, AC is provided in all the bedrooms and the living room, and geysers provided in all the washrooms. This is the other master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As I said, the bedroom is customized such that you have space provided at the entrance if you want to utilize it. This will be your bedroom space where you can place your king size bed along with the side tables. You can also customize wardrobe in this corner, and you have plenty of walkable space after placing all the needful things in the bedroom. You will also get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in this bedroom as well. And over here, near the entrance of the bedroom, we have the attached washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings, and also geysers are provided. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Regency Luxuria. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.